We're back here for the part 2 fat pack opening. Hopefully we can find something a little more nice in these packs. Next pack. Feel free to read that. We have a mythic rare here. Next pack. Okay, last pack. Okay, well it looks like this was our only mythic rare. If you want another look at that, I'm willing to give this card away. Loyal Retainers. Sacrifice Loyal Retainers. Return target legendary creature card from your graveyard to the battlefield. Activate this ability only during your turn, before attackers are declared. And it's a foil there. And I'm going to give this away to my 100th subscriber. 100. But if I don't get 100 subscribers in 2 weeks, then the offer's off. 100th subscriber, and it's sleeved. This card will be yours. Thanks for watching part 2.